Hey guys, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be taking you along with me on another grocery haul. It's the new year and I'm trying to get a little bit healthier for this little baby I've got brewing. So I'm going to start back up with the Mediterranean diet. I felt really good when we were doing that. So, it's great. It's healthy. It includes fruits and vegetables, the good fats. It's just so good for you. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that again. So Mom and I are on our way right now to the grocery store. We're going to take you along with us as we go through our little grocery haul. And then I will show you my little planner and exactly what I am doing for the week and my ingredients that I'm having to buy at the grocery store. And then in a different video, you'll see one of my recipes that I'm going to put together. You'll see that in a few weeks. So come along with us as we go ahead and go grocery shopping. Alright guys, here is a meal planner that I use. It's by Carrie L. And I will link her information below. So here is my meal plan for the week. So Monday I'm doing a chicken carbonara, and then every day I'm doing smoothies because I'm finding that during my pregnancy I am not really interested in fruits and vegetables, so I figured a good way to get that in is to make a smoothie. So every morning I'm doing smoothie and some sort of protein or fat, and then for my lunches I'll end up just doing my leftovers for dinner for the night before. So Monday I've got chicken carbonara for dinner. Tuesday I've got minestrone. Wednesday we're just doing leftovers. Thursdays we're doing margarita pizza, and then on Friday in the weekend we'll just do leftovers and just snack on all of our stuff that we've gotten from the week. So here is our grocery list. So I'm going to go ahead and rip this out and take that into the grocery store with us. And then a lot of my recipes that I have used are from this Mediterranean Diet for Dummies. It's such a great recipe book. I absolutely love it. It's got all sorts of great stuff in here. So you should take a look at that, and I will also link that below. All right, we're heading inside. Hey guys, we're back from the grocery store now. So I got all this stuff and I stayed right around my budget, which for my husband and I, we do $50 per week. I did a little budget finance program a few years ago, and in their little program they say to do about $25 per week per person. So that's where I came up with my $50 budget. So that's what we try to stay under. So I'll just show you all the things that I got. I had a lot of ingredients here. We stocked up on all of our meat and stuff the last time we were at the grocery store. So I didn't have to get all that, just a few things, but I just wanted to take you along and show you guys what I got, and I think we did a really good job. So first I'll just tell you, I'm making homemade hummus. So we've got the garbanzo beans and then the tahini, which is kind of hard to find and you have to buy such a big thing of it. So hopefully the hummus will be good so that I can make it more and it'll be worth it. And then we got these pita bread, and this is a whole wheat pita bread. So you want to make sure that you're getting something that's more healthy, and it even says Mediterranean pita bread on there. And then while we were at the grocery store, Borstead has this dark chocolate hummus, so I figure I'm gonna need some sort of sweets because I'm pregnant and I need sweets. And so the dark chocolate hummus was delicious. It tastes like you're eating brownie butter. If you haven't tried it, you should absolutely try it. It's delicious. And then I'm gonna be making a pizza, and I'm gonna do a margarita pizza. So you got tomato sauce, some tomatoes, basil, and then I'm gonna make my own pizza bread or pizza dough. And all that is actually a secret ingredient is a honey, and then we have active dry yeast, flour, and water. So I'm gonna make that myself. It's very easy. And then for breakfast, I bought some more of my fruit because, like I just explained earlier, I haven't been eating a lot of fruits or vegetables, so I'm trying to incorporate them more into my foods rather than eating them separately. So I've been doing smoothies in the morning, and I've also been adding kale to this. So I'll continue to do that through this Mediterranean. I've got some eggs, avocado for my avocado toast, and then bacon for extra protein. I need to bump up my protein. And then I got all the ingredients for my chicken carbonara. So we've got the bow tie pasta, milk, whipping cream, pancetta, Parmesan, and the tiny green peas. And then the last thing that we're doing is the minestrone soup. So I've got chicken broth, orzo. I'm really excited about this. I don't know if I've ever had it or made it. I definitely have never made it myself, so I'm excited to try that. Then you've got your diced tomatoes, your navy beans, zucchini, carrots, and celery. And I have a lot of the other ingredients. They're more like dried spices, and there's some other things like onions and stuff that we already have here. So that's my haul. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. And if you did, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and be on the lookout for my video on when I go ahead and when I show you how I make the chicken carbonara. We'll see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.